Hey guys, all right, we're doing another video today. Today we're doing another SCOTD, or for those of you that are new, and I know there's a bunch of them, sign carvers of the day. This is where we take your projects that you've done and we actually show your work on our channel. We love doing this. It gives us inspiration and we hear it inspires you guys. But before we get into this, one thing, if you haven't subscribed yet, we'd love for you to subscribe. We've got a lot of big projects coming up. In case you guys don't know, we don't have sponsors really. Our business is completely funded by people that buy stuff from our website. We have a whole line of supplies, router bits, base plates, all kinds of stuff. So we would really appreciate it if you find value in what we're doing. Go over to the website, makeawoodsign.com, and check out what we got. See if there's anything you need. All right, let's jump into this. These sign carvers of the day, there'll be 20 of them. They go from November 4th, 2023 through November 27th, 2023. First, we have Richard Madison. This is Richard's very first sign. Richard used the Hercules router to carve this sign. So he's got a couple of our stencils in here, and the layout is nicely done. It's got a nice balance to it. So for a very first sign, you did really well, Richard. Keep it up, man. Next, we have Michael Boggs. Michael Boggs is up in Arkansas. I've talked to him many times. And this is a bench that he made for the Harley-Davidson shop down in Little Rock. It's a 14-inch seat with 12-inch legs, and there's no screws or nails in this thing. Michael has a little actual sawmill at his property there in Arkansas. Can't wait to get over and see what you got, Michael. Keep up the great work, buddy. Next, we've got Brett Burton. His business name is Burton's Uniquely Wacky Crafts. They make all kinds of different things, including birdhouses and signs. Great job on this, Brett. Nice free-form letters, and you did outset letters for just starting out, man. You're doing nice signs. Keep it up, man. Next, we have JC Story. And this is very first carved sign, and wow, this is incredible. Obviously, JC is a very talented woodworker, and now he's adding freehand routed signs in with his flags. Man, what a great addition to your flag. Terrific job, man. You obviously are going to be making some amazing stuff. Next, we have Eric DeRainery. I hope I'm saying that right, Eric. Hope I didn't mess that up. So this one is made out of Eastern red cedar, glued up Eastern red cedar. Great message, and this would be actually looks like he used our fatty font as far as the layout lettering. This one would be really popular obviously during the holidays. Great job, buddy. Next, we have one from Tom Bedford. Very first sign. He's from the UK. This looks like a piece of hardwood, maybe English oak, something like that. Very hard to hold lines, especially going vertical like this. So you did a really good job, Tom. Hope you're having fun. Keep it up, man. Next, we have Luis Torres. This is, again, another very first sign. We've got a lot of first signs in this group, guys. I'm just blown away. So this is on a piece of basswood. He used a profile bit, the 60 degree and the 90 degree bit. And basswood is easy to carve, but it's not necessarily easy to work with. Did a great job, Lewis. Hope you're enjoying it. Keep up the great work. Another very first sign from Mark Johnson. The lines look terrific. It looked like you used our layout letters and a couple of our stencils with the anchor and the captain's wheel. For a very first sign, man, this is really, really good. You're holding a great line, Mark. Hope you're having fun. Next, we got our Canuck from the north. This is Bert Graham. Made a nice Christmas sign, and he used a profile bit, carving liner, and the 60 degree bit. Nice scalloped edge, beautiful layout, nice coloring. Great job as always, Bert. This one is super cool. Ken Thompson. So he put together 3 1x6s. He used old screws, nails, nuts and bolts, cheap wrench, and an old hammer to create all the dents in this. And this hangs in his gym. He torched it, used the 3/8 90 for the background. Terrific job. Man, that thing looks tough. Excellent job, Ken. I love it. Next, we have Rick Bender. This is 23 by 36 pine. Made this for a local restaurant. The restaurant owner absolutely loves it. I love the color. I love the layout. I love everything about it. Great job, Rick. I'm sure this is going to bring you more business as soon as the patrons of that restaurant see this thing. Beautiful work, buddy. Next, we have Gary Zellner. Gary Zellner has been following us for years and years, and another terrific job on this one. 12-inch round and he inlaid the rope around the edge, and it looks just terrific. Great job, Gary. Another beautiful sign that you can add to your portfolio. Next, we have Glenn Wright. Glenn used the carving liner, the profile bit, and the 90 to create this cute little sign. It's got a great message. I love the little lamb in there. Outset letters with some pretty thin lines as far as the font that you used. Did a great job, Glenn, holding that line. You got some really good lines on there. Great job, buddy. Next, Robert Riley, and this is a collage of signs that he's done. Great layout as well as holding a great line with the router, adding certain things. Got some nice artwork in here, some color, some horseshoes on the Hope's Promise there. Terrific job, Robert. You're doing great work, man. I'm sure you're selling some of this stuff. People see it, they'll buy it. Next, we have our buddy from Pennsylvania, John Aren, and he built these bar stools and he customized them, which I think is a great idea. So I don't know if these went in a local restaurant or what he's doing with these, but what a cool idea, taking a piece of furniture and adding some custom routing to it. Great job, John. Love it. Next, we have Terry Roth. Terry made a great welcome sign. This is a kind of a different take on a welcome sign. It's definitely geared toward pet owners, dog and cat lovers. Just a great version of a welcome sign. I think would be really popular with pet people. Next, we have Jonathan Anderson, profile bit, 60 degree, and the spiral upcut. And this is a really neat design. It looks like our layout stencil, Ryan's Place, and love the color. Man, the shading on it, the staining, the color, everything is just amazing. And that actually is probably why he sold 3 of these already. So great job, Jonathan. Keep it up, buddy. Next, we have Bob Martinez. This is 2x6 pine put together, 12.5 by 21.5. Used a lot of our bits, carving liner, profile, 1/8" spiral, 1/4" spiral, and he stained the whole thing with English chestnut stain, and I think it looks terrific. Obviously, looks to me like it might be a wedding gift or a housewarming gift, which is a great market to go after, you guys. Beautiful sign. I love the line around the edge, gives it a nice frame. Terrific job, Bob. I bet it is super popular. Next, we have Jack Reher. I hope I'm saying that right, Jack. This one is really incredible. This is the very first sign by Jack. He actually hand drew those Celtic knots in there. Man, I can't give you enough props for this, Jack. Did an amazing job. The finish is terrific. All of those Celtic knot lines in there for a very first sign, absolutely incredible. Great job, Jack. Keep it up, buddy. Last but not least, we have Bob Grant. This is a really neat saying, and it's very appropriate in our woke environment that we're in right now. So I love what you did here, Bob. I think this could be really popular. I think a lot of people would buy this just to hang in their shop or their garage or even their den. Anyway, great job, Bob. Love it. Keep it up, man. So there you go, guys. That is SCOTDs, or Sign Carvers of the Day. If you guys have done a project that you would like us to show on our channel, absolutely send them to me. Email them to eric@makeawoodsign.com. Because we get so many, I can only take 1 picture per month per person, but I'm happy to show off your work, and we'll just keep this series of videos going. We've got thousands that we've showed over the last few years. We're proud of you guys. You're doing great work. If there's any questions you have, please email me, eric@makeawoodsign.com, and we'll see you on the next one. Love you guys. Bye-bye.